The remote control is a titrating exercise to help clients learn a way to change aspects of upsetting memories in order to increase perceived control. Identify a difficult or current upsetting situation, a disturbing memory, a current trigger, or a fear. Imagine holding a remote control in your hand. Visualize that this remote has many different programmable buttons to control everything about your inner experience. With the remote control, you can change images. You can pause, stop, slow down, rewind, fast forward, skip, jump to another picture, and change channels. You can turn down or turn off the volume and even change the sound. You can change the frequency to make it cartoon-like so it sounds like Minnie Mouse or Goofy. Or you can replace the sound entirely with your favorite music or nature sounds. You can change the shape, shrink it, add features, change color, remove the color, or make it cloudy or too dark to see. You can change taste and replace smell. You can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% or more of the emotion away. You can change movements, run, fly, swim, glide away, or defend yourself with, for example, a shield. If after completing this remote control imagery, there are still some aspects of the memory that are bothersome, please feel free to use your container exercise to contain anything that may be left or run through this imagery again. Have a good day.